Hello dear Scorpio, welcome back to my channel, and this is your March first week's exclusive love reading. So if you are in a relationship, complicated situationship or marriage, this reading is for you if your sun, moon or rising any sign is Scorpio. If you're looking for a career related, business or money related video, then that's already uploaded on my channel. The heading is March. You can click on video section, scroll down a bit and you will get the monthly reading. Okay. So let's start. Let me show you all the cards. You've got the 10 of moons and the moon card. Very negative card. And you've got the apprentice and the sun card. Extremely positive card. Wow. Alright. Two things. Guys, Scorpio, I see that you had a happy home, flourishing home, peaceful home. There was harmony all around, but suddenly situation has changed. Your marriage and your relationships are like very dicey. That's because there is someone in your family, it could be your spouse as well, who's influenced by other people or their own negative thinking, who is trying to spoil this relationship for you, who is trying to spoil this family setup for you. I do see this person has hidden intention. This person can be a spouse, a partner, family, in-laws, friends, even anybody who is not very happy with your happy home. Maybe because they are not happy with themselves or their home life or their family life or their relationships are not going well. So they are trying to not solve, they're trying to break your family as well. So you have to be very, very careful, Scorpios. This is a card who basically, this is a card which cautions you, which gives you a warning against the threat, the hidden influence of people, the hidden intentions of people. So if you are getting those vibes, because this is also a card of intuition and dream. So if you're getting those vibes from someone that this person is not good, no matter what the world is saying, please listen to your intuition. Your dreams will also be trying to communicate with you in the first week of March, starting from 3rd to 9th. So please try to listen to your dreams and intuition. If they tell you that this person is not trustworthy, there's something wrong, they have a hidden agenda about everything, please do not share your life with them. Do not share your secrets, your good news, your bad news with them, because this person is trying to break you or, extract something from it. Basically, trying to bring you down in some way. All right. To others of you, see, I do see your life getting better if only if you listen to your intuition. First of all, let's finish that. If at all you're ready to give your 100%, because there will be times, Scorpios, in the first week of March where you will have to give your 200% sometimes, right? Because you have to save your relationship, save your marriage against such people, and they could be very close people as well. So you will have to give your 200%. That is the need of the hour. But mind you, you will come out brighter and your relationship will be better than before, because you've got the sun card as well, which is the happiest card of the reading. So you will find the happiness and contentment in your relationships, in your marriage, in between your closer bonds again as well. Okay. Now to those who are single, who are watching this and who are like, no, 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 this is not what is happening in my life, I'm very much single, then I do see you making efforts towards finding a person. I do see you being single and coming into a proper committed relationship, or being committed relationship and coming into a marriage, because the sun card is also a card of marriage. So yes, that way also your life will move forward, you will find a partner as well. But again, you will have to make the efforts. It won't be easy. Don't think that, okay, now that I'm in a relationship, I've got everything, I don't need to put any efforts, like I don't need to put any work. That is not how it works. So no matter what your relationship or equationship is, you will have to put your 100% no matter what it is, because it's like work, right? It's like your career will go up the more you give your 100%, the more you give your efforts. Same with relationships, you have to do effort. So if you work without expecting anything in return, like a trainee, like an apprentice, then you will find a lot of happiness as well. To all those looking for pregnancy related news, I do see good news coming your way as well. I don't think I mentioned this in my Hindi video, but yes, all sort of good news is coming your way. But please be wary of some people. They have hidden agendas. Listen to your intuition. Take this as a warning and protect your relationship or marriage. Okay, because there's somebody who's not very happy. There's somebody who has a very jealous energy. All right. Overall, I see Scorpio, it is a beautiful week. It is a happy week, provided you work hard. So if you resonated with my reading, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life. And if you would like to book a reading, if you think that there's something I have a particular question in mind, whether that's regarding your love life, your career, or health, or family, or whatever. You can always book a reading. I also do blockage removal rituals. So if you feel you are stuck in some situation, you can book that as well. If you guys are going through any sort of no contact, you can book a Oracle Love reading, which is exclusively to channel your partner's current feelings. And how do you do that? The process is the same. The charges are minimal, budgeted, cheapest reading. My maximum charge is only 1000 something and my minimum charge is 170 rupees. Yes, 170 rupees. That's why, because I want to reach the masses, I want to help as many people as possible, and I want people to use as many services as possible and get clarity in their life. Okay, so you can either email me at asthasharma842 at gmail.com, or you can Instagram me as well at the Moksha Tarot. DM me there and I'll give you all the details. Guys, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram, the Moksha Tarot, as well, because I put all my live updates over there. Any new launches on my channel, any new type of service on my channel, all the updates are given over there, right? So you will definitely stay in touch with me if you are connected with me on Instagram as well. So guys, take care of yourself and I will see you soon. Bye bye.